Any mention?
I'm praying for unlisted motion on Monday.
What is the matter?
Well, here what happened, the petitioners are serving in weaving department for the petitioners are serving in weaving and sericulture department in government of Meghalaya. They are serving on bond for 15, 18, 20 years now. Now the government is trying to dispense, asking them to sit with the exam.
But I think there's other pending matters, similar.
But
I think Mr. Nongri was moving them earlier on, they were still going on. The same.
But recently the government has come out with a SOP applicable to all the departments. So we are basically challenging the SOP for Monday.
Yes.
Please, Lordship.
Yeah.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23, Your Lordship. I have informed to the other party also. I am here for the petitioner.
No objection, Your Lordship. I'm for respondent number 4 and 5, Your Lordship.
Respondent.
Number
23, my Lord.
23. Arista Marak.
Lordship.
No more matter.
No more matter.
Why you adjourn about more matter?
Let it come. Lordship. Objective.
I also pray for adjournment of item 16, Lordship.
Number
16, Lordship. On
I'm
behalf
for
of
the
District
petitioner, Your
Council.
Lordship. Item number 16. No objection, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship,
I'll oblige.
item 20 also, if I may pray, Lordship.
20 also.
Lordship, yes. Mr. Dey is having some personal difficulty today, Lordship.
Who?
Mr. Dey, these are doctorship.
No objection.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Much obliged.
Much less, Lordship.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 17.
Yes. Why?
Lordship, the conducting counsel SK Hassan is out of station, Your Lordship.
Suppose come authorities.
Lordship, he's out of station due to some urgency. So kindly adjourn the matter
For a week, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Oblige.
Oblige.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Rekha.
Please, Your Lordship, item number 15, my Lord. It may be come up after 2 weeks, my Lord.
4 weeks?
2 weeks, my Lord.
Lordship, yes.
Okay.
Oblige.
My Lord, I beg to mention item number 18.
Why?
My Lord, Mr. Nongri is on legs. If this matter may kindly be
He's on
taken
legs?
up. His Lordship.
On
If
leg
this matter may kindly.
for adjournment.
1
He's
week,
not-
my Lord.
He's free on leg for 1 week continuously.
My Lord, kindly. 1 week.
He has personal difficulty. Yes, okay, 1 week.
Oblige.
Much obliged.
Supplementary list item number 1.
Yes. Where's the petition person? Where's the petition person? Serve the bank.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the conducting counsel is on legs.
On legs where?
Through VC on another court, High Court. Kindly list the matter at the end of the board.
In the middle of the board.
At the end.
Daily list item number 1.
Wish, please, my Lord.
Have it been filed here?
The evidence has not been filed, my Lord. Well, just day before yesterday I received the Parawise commits.
We got to dispose of today.
Well, what has happened in the meantime? They served me another writ petition, my Lord. Though it's not listed
but
today.
that is for the spoiling of my apart, which is going to be listed on Monday, my lords. But this, as per the last order, this is for the final disposal today, my lords. But on the last date, I had made an avowment that it is virtually like a case where I've been accused of a murder where the person is alive. Now, my lords, may I just try and explain my case?
No, what instruction have you received? Why have they?
No, it's a very detailed Parawise. I'll prepare affidavit file, my Lord. I'm praying for some time, my Lord.
But my promotion is affected, and I may just try and explain my case.
Monday.
But
Monday, because this has to be vetted from ministry and then filed, my Lord.
Because why was it list of final disposal? At your instance, it was list of final disposal today.
I'm so sorry, my lords. This is for final disposal, my lords.
Well, we don't list cases of final disposal unless the affidavit.
But the last order says so much that
yes, I know.
but that
everything.
I had argued a little bit, and your lordships, after hearing me preliminary, had passed that order, my lords.
Well, even the last order says the notice on 5 and 6 is not completed.
5 and 6 of whom?
But 5 and 6, I have taken the steps and they have been served, my lords. They are the private parties, my lords. The DGBR, the ex-DGBR, and it's the current DGBR.
Then you file affidavit indicating service. You'll take it up after 1 week. Yes.
But I'm praying for 2 weeks time, my lord, because the affidavit is to vetted by ministry.
So why is it final disposal?
May I explain why it is for final disposal? Because my stay is also pending. Your lordship said on the last date said we'll dispose it off finally. But charge against me is that
we understand your case.
Please, my lords.
That because you took time to dispose of the department.
But that is not the charge against me. The charge against me is that I have not submitted the inquiry report.
Yes.
The charge is not that I have done delay. But the delay which they are saying, they have already said that yes, this delay is for sufficient reason and you can extend it. Delay is that I have not submitted the inquiry report. The allegation against me is that I have not submitted the inquiry report.
We'll file affidavit, my lord, whatever.
But why have you taken action against him if he submitted the inquiry report? From instruction, can he get anything?
It was quite a lengthy one, my lord. I could not.
But it's only one question.
Well, 1 week,
9 months.
maybe 10 days time, my lord. I'll try to file affidavit.
But it's with the advance copy, my lords.
Office note indicates that the
Can't press so much. The file came in the month of August
also
only.
indicates that the
But my promotion is becoming due. That is why.
have not yet been served. However, Mr. N.K. Gupta,
Please, my lords.
yes, submits that the prior response will be served. The pre-response allowed to file a affidavit indicating service on the respondent. You can file that 5 and 6. Next part, Dr. N. Mozika prays for some accommodation on the ground that he has just received the instructions yesterday itself. So this is the matter is after 10 days. Affidavit to be filed and meanwhile with advance copy to the petitioner. Yes.
Item number 2.
Yes.
Mads, can I just request one thing? Mads, this matter, Mads, if advance copy is served, Mads, if need be, I'll file a Mads rejoinder.
Happy to do that.
And Mads, I'm requesting for 24th October if possible, Mads.
24th October.
24th, Mads. 24th of October.
Yes.
The-
Who is that? Yes.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. B. Kumar.
Yes.
In this matter, till now, no complaint has been made, my lord.
What is this, Dr. Mozika? Which order still be violated? Where's the order? 5/24. Implementation of judgment order dated 28 August 2019 and order dated 1st of May 2024.
1st of May.
Yes.
I'm praying for some time.
Why time you have to file affidavit?
We'll file affidavit.
Yes, my lord, affidavit has been filed.
We'll post up for hearing, then why are you not complying?
I'll pursue it, madam. Maybe a week's time.
Dr. Mozika prays will have to receive further instructions. Be that it makes a matter of a hearing up to 2 weeks. Yes. Yes.
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 3.
Lordship, we have filed an affidavit for 1 to 4.
You 1 to 4.
Lordship, yes.
What are 5, 6, 8, and 9?
Your Lordship, I prayed for 2 weeks' time to file it.
You're from the same chamber.
Lordship.
7 also.
So you have to draft the affidavit also.
No, they will draft.
Then,
They will do it.
yeah, we take that.
I am not touching the file of that.
Okay. Yes. Your H non pro. Non pro, your title is?
Yes, service actually is complete. Only 7 also on the last occasion they have to give.
Yes,
or they have filed.
H non pro. The counsel appearing for respondents 5, 6, 9 prays for but further 2 weeks time to file affidavit. This thereafter.
Lordship.
Obliged.
Must be also.
Item number 4.
So this is a transfer application where the state raised an objection on maintainability. Lordship, the basic fact is that it's a case of death, Lordship. It's a murder case. The person who died was a non-tribal, admittedly. His wife was a tribal and a Garo tribal. And what happened is, Lordship, she is the one who has filed the FIR also. So our humble submission is, Lordship, that in a murder case, the victim per se is already deceased. And if Lordship is seen the extended definition of victim under the CRPC or the BNSS, it provides for victim includes the person injured, including his legal heirs and next of kin. In such a case, Lordship, considering that the FIR, the victim has passed away, the next of kin or the legal heir is the wife, who is also the complainant and a tribal. In my humble submission, Lordship, it is a fit case for transfer to the District Council Court.
Yes, Mr. Guru.
Well, paragraph 4 is very clear. All the parties per se has to be tribal. There is an element of my lord non-tribal here, man.
So victim will not come within the definition of
Under this
parties
BNSS,
Here the
involved in the
my lord, the very term, my lord, all parties, my lord. So here the victim is a non-tribal. So therefore, my lord,
suppose witnesses have to come who are non-tribal to depose before.
that is not a problem,
If we
Lordship.
transfer the matter to this council court.
I don't think that is an impediment, Lordship. In the District Council Court also, the non-tribal witnesses can depose. There is no impediment to that. Because who is the victim in this case, Lordship, has to be defined under the BNSS or the CRPC.
It go over and above the constitution also.
No, it is not, because constitution doesn't say that the victim must be tribal.
paragraph 4 is
Constitution
very
says-
clear, my lord. All parties.
Yes, parties. Now, who are the parties, Lordship? Is the complainant and the victim.
Very interesting point.
Exactly.
Had it been a case where the victim was alive, then my argument would not hold any water, Lordship. But here is a case where,
So you're basing only the person who lodged the FIR.
yes, because he falls under the definition of victim under the BNSS and CRPC. It is not that I am saying something which is not supported by the law. It is a definition of victim. Like for
Social cases between the parties, all of whom belong to Shell tribe.
Exactly. Exactly. Can my lord, the definition, the CRPC override the constitution, my lord?
I would say, of course not, Lordship. But here the parties are the victim and the complainant. I mean, the accused. Accused is admittedly a tribal, and the victim and the
Why
definition.
you
of-
want to transfer to the?
Because both the parties are tribal, Lordship, and they are all from Garo Hills.
But
Both.
the thing is that you'll get more expeditious disposal before the regular courts. You understand that?
That
You are the person who lodged FIR, or you're the accused.
I am the accused, Lordship.
So you want a longer leash.
No, there is nothing. I am just saying, Lordship, that the provision in my humble
Are you on
submission, it
bail
should
right
go
now?
to the. It should go to the.
Are you on bail?
Lordship, yes.
With the FIR?
Lordship, Lordship, FIR is at page 24 onwards. And the Lordship may kindly see 29 type copy. With reference to the subject cited above and due respect, I, Srimati so-and-so, am to inform you that on such and such at 1 a.m., my husband, Shri so-and-so, was suddenly dragged out of the house by assaulting him by Shri so-and-so and 4 other friends. So it was a he passed away, Lordship. And charge sheet has been filed at page 30 under section 302, 506, 201.
So what was the weapon used?
One coconut jute coconut made rope was seized, Lordship. And in fact, all the witnesses are also all Garo. If of course, that. And what had happened is
So the victim also is no angel.
the person who died apparently
Primary
raped,
victim is the my lord.
raped his stepdaughter.
I think we will not transfer the matter.
Primary victim is my lord non-tribal. Yeah.
Section 2WA, it says victim includes the legal heir. So in this case, Lordship, the victim who has already
Yes.
Secondary victim, my lord. That cannot be primary victim, my lord.
Yes, take down. The instant transfer petition under section
447.
447.
447. It's not. Let me go to
Power of High Court to
yes,
transfer.
447. No? Of the BNSS has been filed, praying for transfer of a criminal case being Sessions case number 5 of 2020 under sections 299/304/503/506/34 IPC, which is pending in the court of the Learned Sessions Judge, South Garo Hills, Bagmara, to the court of the Judge General Court on the ground that the parties involved all belong to the Garo tribe, Garo Channel tribe community, and as such, by operation of the constitutional provision and paragraph 4-6 schedule, the matter should be tried before the council court. Mr. S. Deb, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. No, before that, Ms. Argu, Learned, you are appearing as
GA, my lord.
As G, Learned GA. on behalf of the state respondents, has, however, objected to the transfer application by submits that it is not a matter which is strictly between members of scheduled tribe or district, but the deceased victim in the case is a non-tribal who happens to be the husband of the informant. So, he further submits that paragraph 4, having clearly provided that all the parties should be tribals, the transfer application is therefore incompetent and shall be dismissed. Ms. S. Deb, next paragraph on his objection, has submitted that though it is a fact that the victim has
The deceased is
deceased victim is a non-tribal. However,
that is at section 2Y, Lordship,
however,
of BNSS.
the informant, who is the wife of the deceased, belongs to the Garu Shell tribe community, and will come within the definition of victim as provided in section 2Y of the BNSS. He therefore submits that the complainant or the suit, he submits that the wife being a victim and having lodged the FIR, the case effectively is between tribals, and as such, the objection raised by the learned GA deserves no consideration. I have heard the counsel of the parties. I have heard the counsel parties and also peruse the FIR, which is annexed to the application. On perusal of the same, it seems that the incident had occurred on 5/8/2020, wherein the deceased had been allegedly assaulted by the.
Lordship, if I may just a small correction. On 5/8/2020, the deceased had allegedly raped his stepdaughter.
Like
And
when
on
did the incident
8th,
happen?
on 8th,
On
he was-
8th.
8th.
8/8.
Yes.
So, no? On 8/8/2020,
Lordship, yes. 8/8/2020.
has succumbed to his injuries due to the alleged assault committed by the petitioner and other
All petitioners here.
the 4 petitions by the petitioners. Stop. The victim or the victim, the deceased victim, it is not disputed. It's a non-tribal. Stop. The only point for consideration, therefore, on the submissions of the counsel of the petitioner, is whether the informant being a tribal, the matter can be taken to be a dispute as a result between parties belonging to scheduled tribe of particular district. In short, without further dwelling on this aspect, to the mind of this court, the very fact that this victim is non-tribal, and further, the informant or wife is but a secondary victim, the matter cannot be held to be strictly to be a dispute between tribals of a scheduled tribes of a district. Stop. Paragraph 4. Same paragraphs. Paragraph 4, 6 schedule. Paragraph 4, 6 schedule. Has provided that suits and cases between parties of all of whom belong to scheduled tribes shall be before the courts constituted under the schedule, that is district council courts. As observed earlier, as a victim, deceased is non-tribal. It cannot, the instant revision or transfer petition is therefore not entertained, and the same is dismissed. As is the proceeding the trial?
They are proceeding.
What stage?
I think charges have been framed, if I'm not mistaken, Lordship.
Yes.
Obliged.
Item number 5.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, item number 5 and 6 are connected matter. In this matter, Lordship, I have not. I'm yet to receive the payment, but yesterday only I have received a sanction letter, and at the same time I received a call from the department where they have assured me that on either on Tuesday or Wednesday they will make the payment. So, Lordship, let this matter come on. Lordship, let this matter come on Wednesday for compliance, Lordship. They have assured me that they will make the payment either on Wednesday or Wednesday.
In fact, it can be closed now. The amount.
Let this matter come on Wednesday for compliance, Lordship.
Yes.
So dated 9th October.
9th October.
This is Dr. N. Mozika has produced an order dated 9/10/2025, whereby sanction of rupees 17,16,189 only as a refund to the claimant, Sri Bikash Soni, the claimant stroke petitioner, has been approved or has been made. So he submits that the orders of this court having been complied, the matter may be closed. So Mr. P-Tab, however, submits until the money is in his hand, the matter may be kept open.
Can we close it?
Lordship, let this matter come on Wednesday because
Mr. P-Tab, however, submits that the payment is yet to be transferred.
Lordship.
He prays that the matter be decided Wednesday. According to the matter on Wednesday, a copy of the order dated 9th October 25 is taken on board and made part of the record.
Item number 7.
In this matter, we were supposed to file the rejoinder.
How many times you prayed?
This is the second time, Lordship. It is otherwise ready, Lordship. I'm praying for a week's time, Lordship, to file the rejoinder.
Week's time?
Week's time, Lordship.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Chasanda prays for final opportunity for next time to file the rejoinder. Praise the Lord.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
8.
Please, Your Lordship. First of all, my Lord, I should begin with an apology, my Lord, because as per the order dated 17/9, we are directed to file an affidavit, but unfortunately we were unable to file, my lord. Kindly grant me sometime, my lord, to.
What's the matter about?
This is a matter about election of ISO.
Your Lordship, the petitioner is in MFS seeking for promotion to be an IAS officer, Your Lordship.
I have for the respondent number 4, Your Lordship. State affidavit is most important.
You file your affidavit?
Yes, yes.
Now who's respondent number 3? At MPSC. Have you filed affidavit?
But my lord.
Filing. Mr. You're not filing.
I filed already.
You only file?
Yes.
You will have to after 2 weeks let them file.
My lord, if I may, my lord, I do insist on the MPSC do file the affidavits because my lord, all.
If you don't file it, it works to your advantage.
Yes, I know, my lord, but my lord, they need to say.
That means
I was
denial on their part to whatever claims you made.
My lord, I was recommended on 24th October last
Very
year.
good. I will examine that. Yes, sir.
It will defeat my purpose, my lord. If
They respond around further 2 weeks time. To file affidavits.
1 week, my lord.
2 weeks time. Stop. Learner Council like MS so and so has also insisted that respondent number 3 file the affidavits. To which Mr. Snaitang submits that it is not necessary to do so at this stage. Just up to 2 weeks.
Team leader.
Recording the submission. Please.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, we've just received the additional affidavit filed by the petitioner. I'm praying for some time.
Lordship, I have filed this affidavit to bring on record that certain allowances were not granted to me when they have given the SAP while calculating my SAP. So, Your Lordship was pleased to grant me liberty by the order dated 26/8/2025 to file an additional affidavit regarding this aspect. So, Lordship, I filed an additional affidavit.
So, what instructions have you got in the right affidavit?
I just received. I will send it to the Department of Instruction.
Yes, sir. Dr. N. Mojika submits that they have just received the additional affidavit filed with the petitioner. It will take 2 weeks time to obtain instructions.
Item number 10.
Yes, my lord. My lord, this is the football matter, my lord. My lord, in this, my lord, my applications are lying on defect right now. We're trying to cure these defects. Kindly.
Defect?
My lord, I have made applications for directions in a missed case for impleadment of necessary party. That is the state government. That is a.
Everything remains now.
Yes, my lord. My lord, I'm not going to go into opening the tournament anymore, but I need to bring into record what happened on the 31st/7/2025.
But you have other recourse. Sports bodies have their own remedial,
Yes, my
what
lord.
do you call it? Mechanisms.
Yes, my lord, but we do not want to go to trial, my lord. We only want to address our appellate authority, my lord, which is the sports. The district sport officer.
What's the point of keeping this pending then?
But they filed a miscase now for impleading D.
My
Vijay
lord-
Kumar, IAS Commissioner Secretary.
Yes, because
and
my lord,
Mautho, District Sports Officer. Now at this stage, my lord.
because my lord, they are responsible for this organizing these games. They fund the
Doesn't
games.
matter. Yes, I mean you just can't carry on a.
I understand,
The thing
my
is that you see, you have to be progressive, look forward.
Yes, my
If you
lord.
have any other grievance, you
My-
have to file, look for a correct remedy.
My lord, my grievance is that
Your
if
horse is already dead. You can't make it.
definitely.
You can, ride
Rather
on the horse.
concentrate on football.
No, but my lord,
Rather concentrate on football. My lord.
my,
They should rather concentrate on football for next tournament.
my lord, I understand that and I appreciate the fact. But my lord, my client's instructions to me is that we need an
Right,
appellate.
You're a lawyer who goes by client's instructions.
No,
with
my
regard
lord,
to
because I-
legal strategies.
No, my lord, my submission before this court is, my lord, they require direction to an appellate authority. We can constitute an appellate authority to take up our grievances. That is the sports district officer, my lord.
Then it'll come a different petition. Then you will have a different cause of action.
This is the reason why my applications are on defect, my lord.
Defective.
Yes, my lord. I have to
This-
cure
this
them.
is defective.
No, there's no, my
This
lord.
case you
I
filed
have filed.
defective.
No, my lord. I have filed new applications, but they're lying on defect. That is the only reason.
Okay, you correct them. Then your case can be dismissed the next date. Yes, MSO appraise, but it's not only to allow to correct defects in the connected miscase that has been filed. Yes.
Was obliged, my lord.
Item 11.
Please, Your Lordship. So I'm paying for 5 months' time for release of the permission. Your Lordship, if it may release a little bit earlier, Your Lordship, as a
5 months
petition.
is standard time.
Yes, madam.
But Your Lordship, the petitioner retired on January, Your Lordship. So 5
January of
months.
this year.
Yes, Your
Oh,
Lordship.
that's all right. Then.
Okay.
Much.
Much.
5 months.
12.
May it please Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'm praying for 2 weeks' time to file the affidavit.
This is matter regarding
Regularization, Your Lordship.
from the university.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where's Emerchang 1? No affidavit. Union, not necessary. Number 3 and 4.
University.
Your Lordship, 2 weeks to file affidavit.
We appeal which respondent?
Respondent number 2, Your Lordship, UGC.
Yes, MS Ibla for offers as court showing MS Emerchang R1 submits a no affidavit for coming to the respondent of MS S Langsti for number 2 and Ibla for 3 and 4 please one allowed.
2
How much
weeks.
time?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks time for affidavit, please.
Hello, Your Lordship.
13.
Your Lordship, in this case, I got the instruction. This is village process, and by today, about 1,58,000 going to make payment, and the rest of the eligible amount will pay payment immediately.
You happy now, Mr. Deb?
Lordship.
Oh, that's not your case. Sorry, this is different lawyer.
Yes, sir. RC himself has come and informed.
Yes, Mr. Debnath today.
So, Your Lordship, maybe this matter may be even closed. Your
No,
Lordship.
who's appearing on behalf of the respondent submits that the payments due to the petitioner will be cleared.
Not cleared. They will be paying.
Today itself, 1,58,000 will be make payment, and then rest of the eligible amount will be make payment.
Yes.
After having the fund.
Will part of the payment submits that part payment will be made today of the undisputed amounts. Right?
No, this 1,58,000 will make payment, and
What
rest
is
of that
3,000? Show me some instructions.
RC has himself come. Your Lordship, then he has given time. If
Why are you not paying your lawyers?
Yes.
Yes. And you make the payment first. Just take down. Mr. R. Devnath submits that certain payments will be made to the
this
petition.
matter may be even closed, Your Lordship.
The course of the day. When?
Today itself, 1,50,000 will pay. Today itself will make payments given this.
Course of the day. Stop. Mr. Peter, please, the matter is after 1 week.
Yes.
To allow to obtain instructions from the petitioner.
Item 14.
Why he ran away? Who the RC?
Where is that?
For affidavit, I'm praying for some more time.
Yes. 3 weeks time it's paid allowed by affidavit for the time.
Deeply.
Highly.
Hearing. Item 19.
Govind Ram. What's the matter about Mr. Pate?
Lordship is a claim for lump sum compensation.
What compensation?
Compensation which the authorities are taking out, are carrying out an exercise where the persons who were prematurely retired from service, their cases been re-examined to ascertain what are the percentage of disability that they have suffered, and they are paid lump sum compensation. I may take your Lordship to Annex 13 of the writ petition, that will be clear, is page 165.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship. So it's a in response to a legal notice, para 4, it is brought to your notice that you were not boarded out from service on medical ground and hence you are not eligible for disability pension. However, you are retained in service despite of your disability, primary hypertension, which was decided to be attributable to service, and hence you may be eligible for lump sum compensation in lieu of disability pension, for which the percentage of your permanent disability is required for calculation of the quantum of lump sum compensation. The entitlement for lump sum compensation will be decided once the medical authorities assess the percentage of your disability. Your case has been kept ready for medical examination, and you will be called for the assessment of your disability by medical authorities once the board for assessment of disability percent is convened. Thereafter, a board was convened. It was in the month of October, November, and by December 19 letter, a communication was made that he is not entitled for lump sum compensation, which is page 167 of the writ petition, annexure 14.
Yes.
Lump sum compensation of disability entitlement. Your case has been examined at this directorate in consultation with the medical authorities. It has been found that you were in temporary low medical category at the time of your retirement. Disability award is applicable for permanent disability only. Hence, you had no permanent disability at the time of your retirement. You are not entitled for any disability related compensation. So this is the impugn communication, Matt. So
how do you support your case?
Initially, Lordship, the petitioner had suffered low medical category. Therefore, he was prematurely retired from service on completion of 30 years of service by invoking the provision of Rule 48 and 56J, CCS pension rule. So he had approached this honorable court in the year 2015. That page number 26 of the writ petition will be clear. So he had filed a writ petition which was registered at 60 of 2015.
Where is that?
Page 26 mentioned. So those 69 or 70 writ petitions were disposed of.
Page 60.
Page 26, his name is there, that case number, WPC 60 of 2015, mentioned, Govind Ram. Page 66 is the date of the judgment, 15/3/2016. Those 69 to 70 writ petitions were disposed of by the honorable court. So against that, around 21 writ petitioners had filed appeal,
yes,
which is at page 103.
1 second. Page.
Those who had approached the division bench, Lordship, their writ petitions were restored.
Which page?
Page 103. 21.
Yes.
21 petitioners.
Yes.
They have filed appeal.
You one of them?
No, I was not. For me, the order has attained finality. Thereafter, Lordship, those writ petitions were restored back, and page 127, annexure 7, those writ petitions were restored back. Therefore, on 31st August 2022, 17 writ petitions were disposed of by ordering to reinstate them in service. And they have joined also. So the petitioner herein wanted to take the benefit of this, and he had written to the department, and thereafter that was not considered, and he had filed a writ petition before this honorable court that I may be also be that the benefit of judgment dated 31/8/2022 be extended to me also. So that was disposed of, that was rejected.
Right.
So however,
Rejected which way the order?
Lordship. That is page 154, Annexure 10.
Yes.
Yeah. But when he had initially filed the writ petition in the year 2015, an interim order was in favor of the petitioner, and he had worked for around 6 months. So that payment was recovered by the authorities.
Now you say you were reinstated?
No.
You were not reinstated?
Not reinstated.
Then?
When the petitioner initially in 2015 had filed a writ petition, there was an interim order in favor of the petitioner. So he had worked around 6 months. So that payment also the authorities has recovered when he was discharged. So during the hearing of this writ petition number 181 of 2023, Annexure 10, 154, this was brought to the notice of the court, that one of the prayer was also for the payment, which they have recovered. And this case of the petitioner was considered, and he had the authorities had made a payment. Thereafter, the writ petitioner had filed a legal notice to the respondent number 1 with a claim that the disability or medical condition which he had suffered is attributable to service, and therefore he is entitled for disability pension or for a lump sum compensation. Since at that point of time,
so it came down to legal notice we read earlier.
Yes. Then legal notice, they have admitted that it was attributable.
Now coming back to, now it comes to the crunch. The small point is, when you in service, you're kept in service in spite of low medical category. That is their case.
That is the case.
That you had hypertension.
Hypertension.
And so then you're not boarded out of service because you're not considered disabled, but low medical category.
Low medical category.
So then you considered retired after 30 years. So for that you're entitled to some compensation.
Yes.
Yes, Dr. Mosika, what is your case?
And this payment is met to some others personnel who had reported. Yes, Lordship, I have only one number and rank of the person that he had received around 2,65,000. This is Karthik and B. His case was also filed by me, which was a payment he had communicated to me, but he had not. So the DSGI can take an instruction on this matter, that whether around 60 to 70 people personnels were medically re-examined their case. So
were you re-examined? You were re-examined?
Yes,
correct?
examined
When they
in the month of November.
When they replied to your
only the reply they have
when they
forwarded.
replied in legal notice, they said that maybe you're eligible for lump sum compensation.
Yes,
correct.
yes.
And then they put you up for medical examination.
Yes.
Then they found out that your low medical category was only a
Temporary at that time.
At that point of time when you were
Therefore,
compulsory retired.
Yes.
So your case, how do you deal with such cases? If they were compulsory retired because they low medical category at that point of time, subsequently after they retired, naturally blood pressure will come down. He's not working, no duty anymore. You have to look at no. The thing is that, Dr. Mosika, you have to look at the aspect of when he was retired, compulsory retired at that point of time in 2015, correct?
2000.
Now, what was the medical condition then? You see, if the reason given by the respondents, by you all, that we are retiring him because of low medical category, hypertension, which is temporary in any case, so then why can't you get the benefit? Now he's retired, he'll be relaxed. So just come to
my case is only that if
we will check blood pressure, he'll be fine.
Lump sum compensation is given to others, I should also get it. Only that much.
You can give me some evidence that who has been given. I can have instruction that one.
Lordship, that rank and number I had given, and he had communicated to me that he had received around 2,65,000.
So where is that? You didn't give me
that also you can't. That also the court can't accept it at the bar because you have to put it on affidavit and show some to substantiate it. Even then, let Dr. Murray take
Yes, he can.
You can give me a copy unofficially also. Like I can.
Because the thing is that hypertension after retire naturally, how do you have hypertension?
But he is coming to court after 10 years, my lord. That's one plea we've taken.
Even then,
And he's splitting his relief. He cannot do that, my lord.
which way? He's asked for against recovery. He's come out.
My lord, what the complete relief has to be sought in 100%, my lord.
No, what
This is the third time he's coming.
Now only for the lump sum compensation, Lordship. And
Other reliefs you have forfeit.
yes, that has attained finality for me.
On hearing at some length, Mr. S.U. Padya submits that the only grievance that the petitioner has at this point of time is the non-grant of the lump sum compensation, which he submits the petitioners eligible for. Submit 4, inasmuch as he was retired after 30 years of service on the ground of low medical category. Stop. He further submits that in other similar cases, the respondents have extended this benefit. Stop. Next paragraph. Dr. N. Muzikandi submissions praise him without obtaining specific instructions, considering the nature of low medical category, that is hypertension. Yes. Calling list after
2 weeks.
2 weeks, yes. Hypertension. There's a new judgment Supreme Court on disability is if the border of service with disability, then you're entitled to, and the time of training. Yes.
21.
Lordship, 21 and 22 is same. The same relief.
They both all hypertension.
No, some other disability they have suffered, but more or less same.
List together with SWC.
They are also claiming for lump sum.
72 on next day. Yes.
Second call. Supplement 1.
Why are you not present when the matter was called out?
I'm so sorry, my lord. I was in the other VC, my lord, connected to other matters in other high courts, my lord. I'm so sorry, my lord.
Court's given you the concession that you listed today itself.
Yes, my lord. I'm really sorry, my lord.
So you give importance to other high courts more than this.
No, my lord. That's not my intention. I'm really sorry.
If you don't have that, then we can't give you the same concession also.
I'm really sorry, my lord. I'm really sorry.
Has been served the bank?
Yes, my lord. Yesterday I have served.
Personally?
Personally, yes, my lord.
What have they said?
My lord, the branch manager was on leave. I have served it to the service manager, my lord, to inform the branch manager. She have received on his
Bonds appear today. Have you put in a service affidavit today? No.
No, my lord. I'll be filing in the course of the day, my lord.
You just file the course of the day. We'll have it on Monday.
Yes, my lord.
MSS now submits that the respondent banks has been served. She prays for allowed to file service affidavit in the course of the day. This Monday in the motion column, please.
I'm deeply sorry, my lord.
Yes, it's all right.